She goes, do you want your kid to be a little stinker? I was like, yes.
You think Sammy can be my
Is it funny, Finn?
The headpiece alone is
Yeah.
brilliant.
The best part is, but it works. I know it is, well, except for the head. Yeah. You're pretty good, sweetie.
Sure they're ready.
Finny, you want to put on your costume?
Brad got that on
See
film.
some trick-or-treating?
Documented.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the funniest thing I've ever
Well, let's go.
Alright, let's go, buddy. We're gonna go trick-or-treating.
Oh, yeah? Well, too much candy back there? Vinny,
Righty,
where's your
this
outfit?
way.
I want to see the pilot.
This way. Let's go this way.
Are you going to put it on?
We'll play ball later.
Okay.